Welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to recover an Ace wallet without a recovery phrase. If you need to recover your Ace wallet without any recovery phrase, you can try the following option. Ace wallet accounts are typically secured with username, password and two-factor authentication if enabled. You can recover your wallet by entering those credentials. Open your Ace wallet and tap on Login button. Here, you can click on Forget Password button. Enter your username, then answer the recovery question here. If answered correctly, you will be prompted to create new password and you can regain access to your wallet. If you are logged into Ace wallet on another device, you can simply use that device to access your wallet and reset the password or recovery option. If you are having trouble with recovery option, you can contact Ace Wallet support by visiting or emailing them at support@ace.app for further assistance. If you had backed up your account to a cloud services, which is an optional feature in Ace Wallet, you can use those credentials or services to recover your wallet. Since Ace Wallet does not use traditional recovery phrases like 12-word seed phrase but rather a login-based system, recovering your wallet is centered on the username, password and security questions. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.